There are two primary methods available to fulfill orders in the Amazon store: fulfillment by merchant and fulfillment by Amazon. You can choose one method for all your products or use both across your catalog. Each method offers distinct advantages depending on your business needs and operational preferences. With FBA, Amazon handles storage, shipping, and customer service on your behalf. You send your products to Amazon fulfillment centers, where they're stored until a customer places an order. Amazon then picks, packs, and ships the order directly to the customer. With FBM, you handle inventory, process orders, and ship from your own locations. You store products and handle all picking, packing, and shipping to customers. Here are some of the key differences between FBM and FBA. With FBA, Amazon provides 24/7 customer service support and manages the complete returns process, including inspection and inventory restocking. With FBM, new sellers are automatically enrolled into customer service by Amazon for a free 90-day trial. However, you can manage customer inquiries and returns yourself if you prefer. Products fulfilled through FBA automatically receive Prime badging, making them eligible for Prime shipping. With FBM, Prime badging requires meeting specific performance requirements, and delivery timeframes depend on your specified handling and transit times. Orders reach customers in 1 to 2 days for Prime customers and 2 to 7 days for non-Prime customers, depending on delivery location. Storage and fulfillment fees for FBA are based on product size, weight, and storage duration. New to FBA products are automatically enrolled in the FBA New Selection program and receive free storage, removal or liquidation options, waived return fees, and temporary inbound and storage surcharge credits. Amazon can fulfill orders across multiple stores through programs like remote fulfillment with FBA without you having to manually send to and store inventory in each location. With FBM, you pay your own storage, packaging, and shipping costs, though you can purchase discounted shipping labels through Amazon Buy Shipping. You can use the FBA Revenue Calculator in Seller Central to compare costs between fulfillment methods, estimate revenue and fees, evaluate multiple products, and plan for inbound shipping costs. To put it all simply, FBA is ideal if you want to save time and reach Prime customers, and FBM is ideal if you prefer direct control over your inventory and shipping processes or have unique handling needs. Let's look at when it might make sense to combine both methods strategically for your business. For example, you might use FBA for fast-moving, lightweight items to get Prime eligibility and quick delivery, while using FBM for oversized or custom products to avoid high storage fees and maintain control over special handling. As you choose your fulfillment method, consider your products and operations. Think about the average size and weight of the products you sell, how quickly they are selling, your current fulfillment costs, and your storage capacity versus your sales volume. Start with what works for your business right now and adjust your strategy as you grow.